Workflow automation, it's totally changing the game for how we work, how we collaborate, pretty much everything. And now, a new wave of tools is putting some serious power right at our fingertips. We're talking about connecting all your different apps and even building smart AI agents, and it's surprisingly easy. So let's dive in and see how you can get these superpowers for yourself.
Okay, just stop and think about this for a second. What if? What if an AI could just do all the boring, tedious parts of your job for you? I'm serious. Imagine offloading all that repetitive, time-sucking stuff to a smart assistant. And look, this isn't science fiction anymore. This is real stuff, practical automations that can literally change your entire work.
Get this. You're just starting your day, maybe grabbing that first cup of coffee, and an AI agent, it's already handling all those routine questions from your team for you? On your behalf. I know, it sounds kind of wild, right? But you can absolutely build a workflow that does exactly that.
Or what about research? Oh, nobody likes spending hours just digging through the internet, right? Well, what if you had an agent that could search all the latest news, check it for duplicates so you don't see the same story twice, boil it all down to the key points, and then just drop a perfect summary in your inbox every single morning? Yeah, that's possible too.
And look, it's not just for boring office stuff. Things are getting super creative. You can build workflows that take just one sentence, and generate a whole video from it using the latest AI. The possibilities here are just blowing wide open. It's kind of nuts.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how is any of this even possible? Well, the magic behind all these examples is this really powerful open source platform. It's called n8n. Let's pull back the curtain and see what it is and how it actually works.
So, n8n, which, fun fact, stands for Nodeamation, like a mix of node and automation. It's basically like a universal remote for all your apps. Its whole purpose is to let you visually connect different apps and services together. And here's the kicker. You can build these super powerful flows without having to write a bunch of code. That's the key.
The way it works is actually incredibly simple. Every single workflow is built with just two basic kinds of building blocks, or nodes. First, you've got your trigger node. Think of this as the spark, or the first domino to fall. It's the event that kicks the whole thing off, like say, a new email lands in your inbox. Then, you have your action nodes. These are the workhorses. They're the ones that actually do the stuff, like sending that Slack message.
And here's how you snap them together. A trigger happens. Let's say a new chat message comes in. Boom. That starts the workflow. The info from that message gets passed to the first action node, which could be an AI agent that, thinks about the message. Then, whatever the AI comes up with flows right to the next action node, which zaps the final response over to Slack. It's just a simple, logical chain reaction.
Okay, but just connecting apps? That's only half the story. The real superpower, the real magic, happens when you give your workflow a brain. And you do that by plugging in smart AI agents. This is where we go from basic automation, just doing what you tell it to do, to real agency, where the system can actually think and act for itself. This is the next level.
So, how do you actually give a workflow a brain? Well, it turns out there are just three, essential things you need to turn a simple little action node into a truly intelligent agent. Let's break them down.
All right, first up, you've got the LLM, the large language model. That's the actual brain, right? Think GPT-4 or Claude. Second, it needs memory, so it can actually remember what you're talking about and have some context. And third, it needs tools. These are like its hands. They're what it uses to actually do things in the real world, like check your Gmail or go scrape a website for information.
Now let's talk about memory, because it actually comes in two different flavors. You've got short-term memory, which is all about what's happening right now, in this conversation. That's what stops the AI from being that annoying person who keeps asking your name over and over. Then you have long-term memory. This often uses a cool technique called RAG, and it's like giving the AI its own personal library. It can search through your specific documents and pull out knowledge, basically creating its own custom brain based on your stuff.
And here's what that looks like in the real world. This is an actual prompt someone gave to an email assistant they built. They literally said, "I'm too lazy to come up with the subject and email, please come up with it yourself." And the agent just got it. It understood, it drafted the whole thing, and then it just asked for the okay before hitting send. I mean, that is intelligence in action. So once you get a handle on these building blocks, the brain, the memory, the tools, you can start building some seriously impressive agents that actually make a difference. Let's check out a few powerful, real-world examples of what you can do. I mean, you can build these super smart agents for pretty much anything. You could have a research agent that does all your information gathering for you, or a Slack agent that handles all the day-to-day chatter with your team, or, and this is a big one, a customer support agent that can answer questions using your company's own documents.
And the impact here can be just massive. Take that multi-agent research workflow. It can take a job that would normally take you hours of boring manual work and just crush it down into a few minutes. That's not just a small improvement, that's a total game changer for your productivity.
The Slack agent is another really cool one. If you give it a little bit of your personality, a little context on how you talk, it can genuinely start handling conversations for you, which, frees you up to focus on the big stuff. Or maybe just grab another coffee.
And for any business out there, this is huge. Using that RAG technique we mentioned, the long-term memory one, you can build a customer support agent that knows your product manuals inside and out. That means it can give smart, super relevant support to your customers anytime, day or night, 24/7.
Okay, so there's one last really crucial thing we need to talk about. It's what makes a tool like n8n so different from a lot of other automation platforms out there. And the secret sauce? It's all in its open source foundation.
See, n8n isn't just one product. It's a whole ecosystem. You've got the main platform, sure. You've got the official integrations built by the team. But then, and this is the most important part, you have a gigantic library of integrations built by the community. Need to connect to some weird niche service? Odds are someone out there has already built the node for it. And that open source approach, it gives you an incredible amount of freedom and flexibility. For starters, it's free to get going. You can host it wherever you want, on their cloud, on your own server, even on your laptop. It's super easy to extend because of that amazing community. And best of all, no vendor lock-in. You are always 100% in control.
So after seeing everything that's possible, from automatically handling your emails to building a custom AI assistant that does your research, it really just boils down to one simple question for you. What's that one tedious, time-sucking task in your day that you would automate